Your boy, Savageesh, Planetown Entertainment, 3D Records. It's just us against the industry. It's just us against the industry. Backstabbing fucking enemies. Late nights drinking Hennessy. It's just us against the industry. It's just us against the industry. Backstabbing fucking enemies. Late nights drinking Hennessy. It's just us against the industry. I'm still trying to get a deal. These niggas hating, but fuck it, man, they see the scale. Trying to get a meal, make sure the family's great. Told these niggas, man, I'm trying to live life like a great. Fuck being fake, man. I kick it with the homies. A lot of niggas hating, say they hard, gon' have to show me. I came from the bottom, nigga, had to keep the tech. And when you see me in the club, bitches, bottles on deck. Get your ass wet, nigga, when it's motherfucking war. 3D painter, bitch, we bout to go on tour. Got money, nigga, boy, I'm still trying to get more. And I had all the bitches, nigga, man, on the fucking dance floor. Club patent, nigga, boy, tell us close. Niggas hating but hoes, man, they coming out they clothes. I leave bitch niggas, man, exposed. I'm still the illest on my grind. Planetown, motherfucker, I got it on my mind. It's just us against the industry. It's just us against the industry. Backstabbing fucking enemies. Late nights drinking Hennessy. It's just us against the industry. Planetown 3D. It's just us against the industry. Backstabbing enemies. Late nights drinking Hennessy. It's just us, motherfucker, against the industry. Remember me? Same nigga, man, I used to blaze the booth. I've been telling these niggas I am the truth. I ain't a motherfucking cop. I'd rather come through, let the 9 pop. Watch your shit pop, nigga, like a jack in the box. My homie been nice, man, he been had the rock. Cooking up, nigga, probably smoking on the porch. Told these niggas like the blunt, bitch, like a fucking torch. And past that, I'm trying to get fucking high. And when I go, nigga, man, my team gon' be so fly. Everybody paid, everybody living lavish. Fuck it, we out.